Zaman and I'm really sorry I didn't uploaded any video on Saturday because I got vaccinated finally and I was not doing well. I got fever, then there was severe pain in my arm, so I wasn't able to shoot or upload anything. But now I'm fine and again back to work. So today's video is going to about a mini haul of street style store. Now to buy clothes from this website, you need two things, that is money and the second thing is patience. And trust me, when I say patience, that means you never know when your order is going to get delivered. So you need lots and lots and lots of patience. Here's this thing when I say about patience, because I had ordered this in April, 14th April to be precise, and I received this in June. That is almost 3 freaking months, and I had lost all the hope that I will receive this or not. Now I was shopping for the first time from their website, so I had kept my payment option as cash on delivery because I was not sure and I don't wanted to risk it. Even on their website they have written that delivery will take longer. It can be 45 days also, but I had not expected it to be 3 months, but still it's fine. I was not in urgent need of this clothes, so it was fine for me. But if you want something very urgently, I would suggest don't order from there because it takes many days and you never know when your parcel is going to get delivered. So this store has many collections from shoes and boots to clothing lines. So I had ordered few clothes from there. They had this amazing deal wherein you can pick any 3 outfits at 1200 rupees. So I bought few, like you can see here, 3. Going towards our first clothing item, which is this cute floral top. Now this has a sweetheart neckline and also detail at the front. You can see here's a lace detail. Then it has puff sleeves with hand cuffs and a button. Also at the back they have given ruched, that is elastic wala bag, because for the fitting purpose. And the quality is quite good for the price because the MRP was 599, but I got it for something 400 because I bought 1200 ka 3 pieces, so it's almost 400. And here is also elastic, and the quality and the fabric is polyester. It's not cotton but cotton mix, you can say. So I love this top very much. This is one of my favorite pieces now, but only one thing I didn't like was that the hands, the fit here, they have given elastic but still it is loose for me. So our second clothing item is this very pretty and cute cardigan in lavender color, and this is my favorite color, so I was so happy to receive it. Now I wasn't sure about the quality, but when I received it, trust me, the quality is very good. It's cotton and it is something like knitted fabric type, and I loved it. And the fitting is also proper good and the quality is also good. Again, it was for 599 and I got it for something 400. Now this is, I guess, currently out of stock, but I guess they will soon restock it because it keeps going and coming. I have checked their website many times, so that's why. Also, this is so pretty. I just love this. Our third clothing item, this is a track pant type and it has elastic at the bottom. It has pocket details here, but there's no button. It's just like flap wala pocket on both sides, and it has elastic at the back and front side it's plain. There's a minor defect in this piece, like stitching defect. It was very minor, so I fixed it myself because I don't want it to return it, because I saw many reviews about it, like when you return a particular piece, like they take many months to refund. Actually they don't refund also, it takes months and to again send you like correct piece. So I was like, no, I don't want to wait again. So I avoided returning it and fixed it myself, and it was very minor, so doesn't matter really. And the fit is also good and the quality is also good for the price I got it. I forgot to tell you about their sizing issue. They don't have a proper detailed measurement chart. They have just thoda bahut measurements they have given, and you have to order by that. So I have ordered the tops in small size, and for pant I ordered extra large because I was not sure. So this was it, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know in the comments if you enjoyed today's video and which clothing item was your favorite. Also, we'll meet you on Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, and bye.